Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see market outlook for coming week in Nifty and Bank Nifty and what kind of trade setup we can plan. Let's get started. Okay, I'm in Nifty monthly chart and we can see in monthly chart we are seeing for last almost 6 months, including the current month, we are in range. So we are trading in this range, which is 16,900 to 17,800. So almost 800, 900 points range. We are consolidating for last almost 6 months. So there must be a breakout. So we have to come out of this range. We cannot go forever like this in this particular range. So either we have to break out on the upside or there has to be a breakdown on the downside. So which side it is going to break out, so no one can predict. But if in case it gives a breakout, then we will see a very good rally, at least like 1,000 points. If we break out on the upside and on the downside, we can see minimum 1,000 points rally after the breakout, either side. But as of now, we can see as per the price action after this November month huge sell-off, we are not able to close above this candle, right? Above this 17,800, we are not able to close. So this is a good resistance, but we tested multiple times above this. We went and then we closed below, and it is now a big resistance. On the downside also, we have probability of going down as well, because multiple times we tested this 17,000 to 16,900 range. We tested multiple times. So if it goes like February month, if we close below 17,000, then we have very good possibility of breaking down and going further till 16,000 in the next month or following month. In Nifty weekly chart, we can see we formed a kind of a doji pattern, and we see in this trend line is still again respected. We tested multiple times here in this zone, and this time if in case if there is a breakdown below this level, which is 16,900 to 16,800 range. So this is a very crucial level, which is 17,000 psychological level also. And if there is a breakdown, if we close on a daily chart below this level 17,000, then we can expect 16,500 as a first target and 16,000 as a second target on the positional basis. But in case if we go above this level 17,600, if we cross and then if we sustain on a daily chart, then we have very good chance of moving towards 18,250 plus as a first target. But remember, we are in a weekly chart, so it might take time, week or two. If we give a breakout above 17,600, then reaching to 18,300 is on a weekly basis. So it might take a week or two. Now I'm in Nifty's daily chart, and we can see it gave a huge sell-off before budget, and then we rallied. So it's consolidating in this range. So once we cross this level, then we can see a good up movement. So we need to cross 17,800, then we can see a good up movement till 18,300 to 400 range. But if we close below 17,000 and 16,800, then we can see 16,000 range. On the global cues, we have multiple negative news, in fact. So first thing is US inflation. US inflation is on historical high. And the second is we have Russia-Ukraine war kind of scenario, where already based on the satellite image, US has given their warning to their US citizens in Ukraine to vacate, because anytime Russia might invade Ukraine, and the geopolitical tension is there, and the whole world is looking at this Russia-Ukraine scenario. So both these news. So US inflation rate is highest in last 40 years, and US Russia-Ukraine issue is also adding fuel to geopolitical tension. So anytime we might see these kind of issues increasing, and if in case there is any negative things happens, then this breakdown might happen in a fast manner, and we might see 16,000 soon. Let's look at Bank Nifty now. Now I'm in Bank Nifty's monthly chart, and we can see in Bank Nifty also a similar structure. we are in this range of 35,000 to 39,000. So we are in a broader range of consolidation for last almost 6 months, similar to Nifty. And if we give a breakout on the upside, which is again 39,400, if we close above, then we will have a good rally. But we need to cross this, and we have to close on the monthly level. Then we can see a good rally. On the downside, if we close below this level of 35,500, if we break and close on the monthly time frame, then we can see a sharp sell-off on the following month, which might lead to 32,000 level. On the weekly chart, you can see we are in this range for a long time, and we need to break out. It has to break out this level for sure, sooner than later. And if we give a breakout on the upside, then our target of 40,000 we might expect on the higher side. And if we give a breakout on the downside, which is below 37,300, then we can see the first target as 35,500. This is on the weekly time frame. Again, we please don't go with intraday basis. This analysis is for weekly. Let's look at daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see Bank Nifty around 37,700 600 range is a good support zone, where we tested multiple times. We have this trend line and then this horizontal support line. And if we close below this, then we might see good sell-off on the Bank Nifty, and it might lead to 36,500 range as the first target. But it might not happen on the same day, but we need to see the price action here, how it is forming, and then whether we are reaching this or directly we are reaching this level. On the upside, we have to break this level, which is again we need to close above this 39,000. Then only we can expect a rally of rally up to 40,000. And tomorrow's market closing is very crucial. And for tomorrow, I mean Bank Nifty is 15 minutes time frame, and for tomorrow this is very crucial level. If in case we close below this on a 15 minutes, and then we can expect market moving to gap filling might happen. We might see 38,200 range we might see. And if in case we go below 38,000, then it might reach 37,800. So this is going to be very crucial. And if this is if we are getting this level, and it is going to be based on the weekly and monthly analysis, if we give a breakdown on this level 37,800 and 37,400, then it is going to be like a huge sell-off again. So tomorrow's market movement is very important. Where we are opening and closing is going to be very crucial for next weeks and the next couple of weeks market direction. On the higher side, we have multiple resistance level. So first one is on this level, which is 38,700 range, and then we have a gap filling level, which is 39,000, and then again 39,300 to 5,300 range. If all these levels are resistance are broken, then we can easily achieve this 40,000 level. So this is about my view and the logic behind my trade setup, the levels what I look for. I'm going to take my trades based on these levels and based on the price action, how it is behaving in these coming days. So please do your own analysis before taking any trade. If you like the content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.